How do you feel when you see your neighborhood coming together for a good cause? Or a company collaborating with local schools and citizens participating in town hall meetings to voice their opinions? That's the essence of community engagement, a dynamic process where individuals, organizations, and businesses build meaningful connections with their communities. Unlock the secrets to thriving communities. Download the Community Engagement PPT deck now. Also, grab up to 15% off on your purchase. Community engagement is the heartbeat of a vibrant society. It empowers individuals to become active stakeholders in their localities. The endeavor enables them to shape policies, voice concerns, and collectively solve problems. Using this content-ready community engagement spectrum to understand and implement the range of strategies and approaches that make up effective community engagement. Help your audience understand the benefits of community engagement and outline its goals and initiatives as well. Discover best practices for active community involvement. Get your comprehensive PowerPoint guide from link below. Follow the steps in the PPT template and devise an architecture virtual community engagement strategy. Specify roles and responsibilities, delve deeper into the process, and establish community engagement with this pre-designed PPT slide. Community engagement is the lifeblood of thriving societies and successful businesses. By actively participating in the communities, individuals and organizations alike create positive trends and ripples that influence generations. Grab this PowerPoint presentation and take a step to mark your presence in your community.